Little storyteller.
Finny the goldfish had a big idea. The annual Most Epic Fish Tank Castle contest was here. Finny loved building. He gathered tiny shiny pebbles. He found smooth swirly shells. His favorite part was the little sunken pirate ship. It had a tiny flag with a smiling skull. Finny wiggled his fins with excitement. He wanted to win the Tank Architect of the Year award. His best friend, Shelly the snail, watched him. Shelly had a pretty pink shell, with tiny stripes. She moved slowly but always had a smile. "That's a wonderful tower, Finny," she said, her voice soft, like tiny bubbles. Finny puffed out his cheeks. He wanted his castle to be the most amazing ever. He carefully placed a blue pebble on top of a tall shell. Otto the octopus swam by. His tentacles wiggled happily. Otto loved to help. "Can I hold this seashell for you, Finny?" he asked, holding up a large pearly shell with one of his suckers. Finny nodded. Otto gently held the shell steady while Finny added more pebbles to it. Building together was lots of fun. The day of the contest arrived. Judge Judy, a wise old sea turtle with a sparkly green shell, swam over to Finny's castle. Her eyes twinkled as she looked at the tall towers, the sturdy walls, and the pirate ship nestled in the center. She smiled. "This is a truly wonderful castle, Finny," she said. "It shows creativity and teamwork." Finny won. He was so happy. Shelley and Otto cheered. Judge Judy gave Finny a shiny trophy that looked like a tiny golden anchor. Finny knew he couldn't have done it without his friends. Building together made it even more special. It's always more fun to share and work together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.